Hello people, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to describe you how you can add the table of contents in your blog pages on or blog post or in your WordPress website, especially because I am not providing the code in this video. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel if this video will be helpful for you. So if I go to Google and search table of contents example, and this will show me uh, this example. Like as you can see, these are the keywords showing as the links. So this is really helpful for ranking your post in front of the Google first page. And for doing this, please just go to the WordPress backend, and of course we will do that by a plugin, so you don't have to do any codings. And let's say add new. Let's say like easy table of, it should come right now. Okay, so this is the plugin with 3 lakhs plus active installations, and let's activate it. And we will have to install this plugin after activating. Please like this video if you are watching right now. And this is the plugin just installed. And just go to the settings, hover on settings and click to table of contents. Here you should do a simple settings for your site, and we just want to display the table of content for the blog post. So let's click the post, and we want to display it after the first heading. So it means where if my post has the first heading, after the first heading the thing will display beautifully. So show when one or more headings are present. So it is like, it's saying like it will show when one or one, they are counting for from 1 to 10. Let's, it means like if you have 10 headings in your blog post, if I choose 10 here, it will display after 10. So if I choose one, it is best for one, for everybody. So if you only have one headings in your blog post, it will display after the one heading. So this is really good. After that, you don't have to do anything. This is a style sheet. You can customize the background. I can choose a different background color, but I don't want it. And let's go down and let's say save changes. So it's saved the changes. Let's go to post. We have all the post. Let's view this post I just created today. And let's go to my site here for better understanding. Okay, as you can see, this is displaying beautifully, and this is the table of contents. I have 1 2 3 headings. Yeah, I of course have 1 2 3 headings. This is the first heading, second heading, and where is the third one? Okay, this is the first heading, this is the second, and this is the third. So for each of post, I remember I have some headings. If you are a football lover, you can visit my site pesttech.xyz. Okay, as you can see, these are the table of contents, and of course it will help my post to rank better on Google. So if this video is helpful for you, please like this video, press the subscribe icon button so you can get another WordPress tutorials and blogger tutorials.